In this video, we are going to show you how to get the code from your project in Emergent AI. Now, this is doable even if you're using the free tier. So what you want to do is once you've finished your project, right? We have a finished project here, as you can see here. And I've talked with Emergent a lot and tried to go over everything. But as you can see here, there is an option for us to help me manually copy the code and show me all the files. So as you can see here, if you're the free tier, right? If you're the free tier, you have two options: upgrade to a paid plan. If you don't have the money for it, you can actually manually copy the code. So as you can see here, after this, I said, help me manually copy the code and show me all the files. So here's the thing. You can just copy all the code, as you can see here. Just copy all of this, right? Just copy all of this. It's a lot, right? There's a lot. Scroll down more. Just copy, and this is a simple code. Like if you made a more complex or more, I guess, complicated website, you're gonna have more, right? This is a simple note-taking app. And as you can see here, there is even gave us setup instructions. So using MongoDB, so on and so forth. So it actually gives us instruction to actually do this. So after this, just copy the code. You have some bonus, right? Setup instructions, and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.